Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola for Mobile WizTech. Today I want to talk about this smart infrared fast wireless charger by Florington. So stay tuned. Before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to the Florington company for sponsoring this video. Also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe and a notification bell button so that way you can stay up to date with my channel content. So now let's take a quick look at the presentation here. So some of the specs, some of the features it has. It comes with the charger, which is a 3.0 QC. Said that backwards, QC 3.0. And you have different viewing options there as well. Pretty cool. Comes with the car vent mount as well, or the dashboard. This can be used for the window or windshield as well. That's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, so let's see here. So these are all your items. You have your phone holder. This has a sticker on here that needs to come off. So before you use it, you want to make sure you peel it off. You can see it, it's kind of glossy looking. So peel that off first. That way you can get your phone charging correctly. Again, this is the holder. You have your vents right there for ventilation while it's charging. Is that when your phone is in here, when you want to release it, you see this silver looking button. It's not an actual pushy button, it's touch sensitive. So when you want to release your phone, put your thumb or your finger there and the clamps will open up. I do love that feature. As you can see, it again, it says here empowered by Quick Charge 3.0. And then this is your car charger. When you plug this up, you want to make sure that you plug it into the QC 3.0, not this one here. That's an extra port, but this is the one that works with this wireless charger. So make sure you plug your type A plug into this one here, not the bottom one. So for these two, for your car vent, you would just simply place this in here and then pop it in there. So this is what you would use to adjust the flexibility of your the car vent mount. And pretty much the same thing for this one. You would just put this on here and then pop that in there. Then you're able to make your adjustments as far as how this is set up in your car. And of course you can make it taller or shorter, so it's up to you. So that's cool, very simple. Okay, as you can see there, I was able to peel a layer, so just simply peel it off just like so, and then you should be good to go. So wow, look how clean it looks. Really nice. So let's talk about some of the cool features that this thing has. You see those two circles at the bottom? Those are infrared sensors. I think I mentioned that earlier. So when it senses you bringing your phone close to the phone holder, these two clamps right here will automatically open up and then it will close to grab your phone. Also, what's cool about it is when you cut your car off, you still can touch that button there and the clamps will open up. And right now you see it's not plugged up. I had it plugged up for a quick second. It does hold a little power, so let's give it a test. You see that right there? So that's pretty cool. I do like that feature there. You can also adjust the height of this thing. So let's say I rose it up here. You see this little screw here? You just unscrew that. You can slide it up. And then just tighten it there. And as you see there, it's a lot longer. So that's cool. This can actually be used on your desk as well. If you want to use it, let's say I wanted to use it here. Let's bring this down. If I wanted to use it here, I could on my desk, as you can see there. So this can actually be used in your car or on your desk at home, on your office. So that's pretty cool. So I want to go ahead and get this installed in the car and give it a good test run. So a quick note is when you're installing the car vent mount, this right here is a button. You need to push that so that the clamp can open. Then you'll stick it into the car vent. So make sure you push that button, place it in there, and then you let it go. Also, this can be viewed when you have it installed, landscape or sideways, portrait or up and down. So you have both options. You can adjust it while it's installed or before you install it. So that's pretty cool. So as you can see there, I do have it installed using the car vent mount. And all you need to do, like I mentioned earlier, is to simply just get your phone. It opened up automatically and it will grab your phone just like that. Again, you can adjust this to be viewed sideways or back this way as well. Now this is, my car is not on right now. It's just running off the battery, but again, it's always ready to go. If I'm ready to take it off, just tap that button, take the phone off. So what do you think of the Florington infrared fast wireless car charger? Post your comments in the comment section below. This is available on Amazon for $26.99, and the link will be posted in the description section below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Also share and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it mobile.